What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar. And if you like Chinese food just as much as I do, make sure to watch this recipe. Here we go, friends! First thing, let's put a pinch of salt into a pot full of water and set the heat to high. We need this later to cook our rice. Now, while we're waiting, we can start with some preparations. Cut the chicken into small pieces and proceed to season it. Soy sauce is a must here. Then, you can add pretty much any spice that you like. I used some black pepper, sweet paprika and a pinch of salt. Oh, by the way, you can see the ingredients you need in the description box, and I make sure to make them pop up somewhere on the screen as well, okay? Now let's get back to the recipe. Once the water in the pot is boiling, throw the rice inside. With Basmati brand, about 10 to 12 minutes should be enough. Now, back to the other ingredients. Break a couple of eggs, add a pinch of salt and mash them up to prepare an omelette. Set the heat to medium-high on your frying pan, and when it gets hot enough, start to cook the chicken. Three to 5 minutes are more than enough. Then you can take it out of the pan for the moment, as we need to cook our omelette as well. If you are lazy like me and don't want to wash the pan between those two cookings, make sure to use some oil spray to avoid the omelette to stick. Once your mashed eggs are ready, just take them out of the pan and leave them wait with the chicken. I guess it's time to taste the rice, right? Here, make sure to don't overcook the rice in the pot, as we'll still need to stir fry it. Drain out the water and let the rice jump into the frying pan. Cover with some soy sauce and add up the other ingredients. Eggs, chicken and of course our beloved green peas. What? Did you forget about them? Come on! How many times do I have to repeat myself? Vegetables are really important for a balanced and healthy lifestyle. But I hate them. Fuck vegetables. See ya! But seriously, before you go, make sure to leave a like, and if you didn't already, subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes. Catch you in the next episode, haha!